how you can perform P2P trading with ease on Bybit account. So after you log into your page, I'll show you what to do. But before I continue to this video, if you're a new subscriber, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. And before you proceed to the next step, make sure you do your own research. So click on the more. So P2P trading page. There's USDT as well. You can buy or sell USDT, buy or sell USDC, BTC, Ethereum. So let's go for USDT. It's very easy to buy and it's very easy to sell as well. So the first thing, the one we are seeing is we are getting it for 105.04. So and it's selling for 5,000 to 9,950. So if you click all, you are getting 6.6 USDT from him. So if you want to buy, just click on the buy stuff and you make payment to the buyer. How? So you click on this pay now at the downside. As you can see, you see his account number, his bank, and the amount you are paying. So just click on, after you make payment to the account, click on payments complete and you will release the coin for you. How much like how many coins you can release for you? It will be 6.6 or 6.1. So it will be calculated by Bybit itself. So you won't be the one to input the coin. So the coin, the amount of money you are paying and the amount of coin is raising will be calculated by Bybit itself. So don't worry about scamming. So there's no this is not a scam zone. Bybit is a legit platform that enables users to buy and sell on their platform. So after you make payments, you just click on payments complete and your stuff will be released. This is the order I clicked before. So I've cancelled the first one. So this is the second one. Pending payment. So this guy is like, okay, this is not this is the second one. This is the first one that I exit. Yes. As you can see, if you do something like this is how to notice the scammer on P2P. This is the name he registered with Bybit. Ogochukwu Francis Chukwemeka. That's his name. As you can see, the first thing is his name. That's his bank account. And in the bank branch, he input another account number. In the bank branch, he input another account name, which is Ezonwoke, Echen, and Tochi. If you make payment, if you click this account number and paste in your bank account to make payment for this guy name, his real name, like the name we used to register with Bybit won't show, which is Ogochukwu Francis. This one will show Ezenwoke Tochi. And if you make payment to this account, if you complain to Bybit that this guy scams you or do something to you, they won't reply to you. Why? Because these guys Bybit have tell you that make sure you are using an account that match your verified name. So he doesn't use the account that matches verified name. And using real-time payment is stronger recommended. Splitting the payment into multiple is not allowed. So strict follow the information on the page to make payments. If any payment information is available or require further clarification, do not make payment and cancel the order. As you can see, very simple. Failing to follow the above may result in payment losses or account restriction. That's very simple. So they have tell you what to do here, because Bible know that most of these people, they may be scammed in their work, in their they may be scammed in all these buyer and seller online. So they make this rule. So if you follow this rule, you won't get scammed. As you can see, he puts another account number which have another name different from the name you used to register with Bybit. Very simple. So that's why I'm going to cancel this guy's order. So I'm not buying from this guy. So I will buy from this guy. So Ogochukwu Francis can cancel order. Continue. I cancel his order. Produce order. So I haven't paid the user. So confirmed. Very simple. So for this one, let me show you was really good. As you can see, it's transfer to the seller 99. So that's good. The name is Ayuba Waba Bizigu. So bank account number is, this is account number, and bank branch is 9 Nigeria. So bank name Pampi, very simple. So everything is the same thing. So I'm paying from Kuda. So I would like to Kuda to Kuda is very fast and reliable. So let me just copy his account number and paste his account. So let's copy his account number and paste his account Kuda Nigeria. So I've made payments. As you can see, it said something. Asset of this seller has been logged. Complete payment are secure. Please chat within the platform. External record cannot be used as reference in other dispute. So very easy. I'm not scared that you take my money because this, as you can see, the asset has been logged. So I'll just go and play or just go and do something else. So I know I'll receive my coin within minutes. So as you all can see, P2P Trading has completed to view my assets. So I was having zero balance before because I want to promote, I want to make some video for you guys. So as you can see, amount frozen now, available balance 6.6. That's how I've gotten my 6.6 from the guy. Just make sure you be cautious of who you buy from and who you don't buy from. So if you love watching the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. See you in the next one.